was a bullet hole.
It's got your name all over it, and I can't find it. It's on the board. When you're looking in the messages, I guess there's something that's supposed to come in that hasn't come in. There's a 1054 here.
Ugh. That's not good. I think we got enough batteries. For real. Not actually allowed to have that many over there. Definitely not. Well, I mean, you had to get with Mike on that. Yep. And I put a battery in this key fob, so that's nothing.
Do you think it would be beneficial? Because right now I'm running one 0-gauge power wire to both of my amps. I mean, I don't really have a voltage problem, but do you think it would be beneficial to run two?
I have 4. If that answers your
Wire
question.
to each amp? Because right now I got one running to my distribution block, and then I got them split off that distribution block.
So